Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I'm setting out my January bullet journal. I know it's a bit late, but I really like procrastinating, so here it is. For my January setup, I decided to have a theme for it. Rather than having a particular object or event, I decided to base it off some colours. Since it's summer right now in Australia, I decided to make it based around warm tones such as yellow and orange. On my January title page, I decided to draw on some objects and icons that reminded me both of summer and fits in to the categories of orange and yellow. I drew some lemons, oranges, some ice blocks, sunflowers, the sun, and some drinks. I then proceeded to outline them in a micron fine line pen and then color them in with watercolor. On the next page, I did what I call a monthly goal page. It's pretty self-explanatory. I write down the goals of the month, and after the month is over, I go back and see if I've achieved them and tick it off. Following that, I did a mood tracker. For this month, I decided to do it in the shape of a dandelion with hearts as the seeds. I drew exactly 31 dandelion seeds, which represents every day of January. What I do is color one seed at the end of each day and evaluate my overall mood of the day, hence the name Mood Tracker. This is in correspondence to the key which I made at the bottom left-hand corner. Preceding that, I made another tracker, except for this time it's for habits. I simply made a table that had 31 columns for the 31 days of January and 10 rows for 10 different habits. But really, it's up to you how many habits you want to track. I put down things such as drinking 7+ cups of water and flossing. Then I did a page for my books and movies log. This is so I can document every book I've read, every movie that I've watched, as well as giving it a review and rating. Finally, I did a gratitude log on the next page. I wrote the numbers 1 to 31 down the page, which represents, yet again, every day of January. This is for me to write down a single thing that I'm grateful for or made my day. That's it. Nice and simple. Of course, there'll be more things to be added throughout the month, but these are the stable spreads that I'll be having for almost every single month. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and will try out some of these things yourself. Bye!